Whether the job requires holding down dust or packing a new construction foundation, the Wylie Express Water Wagon is specially designed with the contractor in mind. Ranging from 550 to 2,010 gallons in capacity, the Express Water Wagon is a great choice for storage, transportation, and distribution of fresh water. The rugged channel iron frame with the heavy-duty polyethylene tank combine into a durable unit for years of dependable service. Every Express Water Wagon is DOT approved, and the 550 and 800-gallon models can be hauled without the need of a CDL license, even when filled to capacity. Each trailer is equipped with 2-inch galvanized plumbing and fittings. The rear spray bar provides a swath of 25 feet. And there are discharge outlets on each side of the trailer for fire hose application. Filling the tank is a breeze because the low-profile elliptical tank and strategically placed fill well is accessible from the ground. The tank is also baffled to reduce sloshing of water, making it safer to tow, especially when less than full. The Express Water Wagon Owner's Manual should be read and understood before using this equipment. Towing a trailer will impact how any vehicle drives, so you must have a proper vehicle to pull the Express Water Wagon. The Express Water Wagon features a suction and discharge manifold. The suction manifold contains the valves and fittings for filling the tank, supplying the pump, and the gravity feed hose bib. The discharge manifold has valves controlling the bypass, fire hose, pressure hose, and spray bar. Note: open the ball valves by turning the handle parallel to the flow. Close the valve by turning the handle perpendicular to the flow. To use the rear spray bar, start the engine and increase to full throttle. Open the spray bar valve. Use your vehicle's speed to control the rate that water is applied. For fire hose use, the 25-foot fire hose couples to the fire hose valve on either side of the trailer. Remove the fire hose coupler cap and quick couple the fire hose. Open the main tank valve, close the bypass and spray bar valves. Open the fire hose valve on the side that the hose is attached. The fire hose nozzle adjusts from wide spray to straight stream by rotating the body of the nozzle. The Express Water Wagon is commonly used by contractors for dust abatement, fire protection, packing building sites, concrete saw lubrication, and watering remote vegetation. This versatile piece of equipment provides the benefit of having a pressurized water source at any location. For more information on a Wylie Express Water Wagon, visit www.wyliesprayers.com.